All right, next is Quora. Quora is an online site for asking and answering questions. Um, it's a great resource if you want to see what people are saying about particular topics, or if you want to reach people interested in your topic. You can both ask and answer questions, and both ways can reach a lot of people. So in order to be successful on Quora or to make it work for your business, I recommend creating an engaging profile that explains what you do, who you are, and then include a link back to your website. This allows you to answer questions and even ask questions, and then people will be interested in what you post, and they'll click back to your bio and then go to your website. So the best way to reach potential customers is to answer related questions in your niche to establish credibility and to reach people who are searching for your particular topic. Definitely don't try to use Quora as a platform to sell your product, but use it as a method to establish credibility and to gain trust from people who then will see you as an authority and will be more likely to buy from you down the road. Another way you can get some attention on Quora is to create a space dedicated to your particular topic or business. You can share other people's answers and questions or other pieces of content in your space, and then mix in your own blog posts or whatever it may be, and more people will join your space and see your content. And then I've included this little screen grab of a question that has done really well on Quora for me. I just answered this question, dropped a link in there back to a blog post, and so far it's gotten 58,000 views, which has been great and actually led to a lot of traffic back to the blog. So I definitely like Quora. If you haven't used it at all, I recommend just getting on there and answering a few questions or asking some questions just to get used to the platform. And then I think you'll see some big benefits if you can promote your product discreetly on Quora.